Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we add header and footer in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So to add a header and footer, first I want to tell you guys that if you are in this by default normal view, then PowerPoint presentation Microsoft PowerPoint doesn't support header in this views. So first thing is we have to change the view. For that, I'll click on this view, and then you can see there's a presentation view. So if you are in this normal presentation view, then PowerPoint doesn't supports header on this normal presentation normal presentation view, but it supports footer. Okay, so if you want to add header and footer both, you have to change the page type. Okay, you have to change the presentation view. So I'll select this note page. So what happens here, see I have set some header and footer. So now these are visible. So these are the header and this is the footer. And here if you will add some text, then this will automatically present here. And this is the picture. So now you are wondering that how to add this header and footer. For that, just after selecting the page view, you have to click on insert. And then you can click here header and footer. Now this box appear where you can add just footer by checking this one. So if you see here, this will show a kind of preview while you will active this footer. So you can see this footer will appear in this middle section. Similarly, if you are adding some numbers, slide numbers, then the slide numbers will be shown over there. That will be automatically, and this is the date and time will be shown in this section. So I'm just unchecking these things and I just want to add header and footer. So I'll click here notes and hangouts. So header and footers are active. Whatever you want to keep here, I want to write Mahagurus. And then I'll click on apply all. Now before applying all, you must check it, because if you won't check it, then this will not appear. So as you can see, this will appear on this box and the footer will be appear in this box. So I'll click apply on. Now as you can see, all the header and footer things is now applied. If I scroll down, then you will see this is applied to all the slides. So this way guys, you can add header and footer in Microsoft PowerPoint presentations. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.